Good day everyone, you are welcome to QGIS Solution. In this video, I want to show you how to convert attributes table of your data to text file in ERDAS Imagine. This is very important, especially if you want to use your data in some software that only take text file. In that case, you need to convert the attributes of your spatial data to text file. Let me show you how to get it done. So in ERDAS Imagine, I have this data, which is QGIS. Now, to convert the attribute to text file, come to the layer, right click and click on Display Attributes Table. When the attributes table opens, let me expand it. Here is the attribute of this data. If I want to convert all this information in the attributes table to text file, what to do is to come to any of these headings. Just right click any of these headings and come to export. When you click on export, it will bring this page, export data page. Then you need to specify the folder where you want to save it. So I will navigate to my recent folder and then click on OK, and I want to save it here, so I will give it a name. Let's call it attributes table. Then here under file type, you can see various type here. You can see CSV, .dat and .text. So our interest is text file. So just click on OK, text file, .txt. Then the separator character, here you can leave it at tab, comma, column and so on. Let's leave it at tab. And the terminator character, you have options here as well, but let's leave it as Unix. Then click on OK. It has been exported. Now let's verify it. If I come to the folder where I save it, here is it, attributes table. So let's double click to see or to open it. Yes, here is the attributes table of my file in GIS format that I've converted to text. So you can see how easy it is. So in essence, this is how to convert attributes of your data in ERDAS Imagine to text file. Thank you for watching.